Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. You know it's all natural Candice here, and today we're doing something new. So I'm going to be doing a Shein haul for you guys because I shop on Shein a lot. I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I got, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So by the way guys, I got another, guys, my mother is cooking, so if you're hearing a little jiggle jiggle jiggle, yeah, so I got another present. Well, I mean, buy this for myself. It's a bracelet. I got it from Express Fashions on Instagram. Yes, and the girl is also a YouTuber. I really love it, even though it can't fit my hand that much, but like it can fit my hand, but yeah, it's nice, very cute. Yeah, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the C. So if you follow me on Instagram, which is Candice_Charmz, you will see a picture of me with this C. So I bought this maybe like $3 or less, I'm not sure. Wait there. Yeah, and you use AAA battery, and this is how it looks. I really love it, I really like it. Brother, it dropped from me about 2 times now. Yeah, but it's still working. So what I ordered versus what I got, yes, this is definitely what I thought I was getting. I thought it would be smaller, but it's a good size. I also bought, you know that Shein now have a makeup brand called She Glam. I tried this foundation stick. This is in the shade Camel Sweet, and it's actually good. I never expect it for, you know, be that good. So we get a brush part right here, and we get the actual shade, and the shade is dark. You will see me using it in a video shortly. Alright, and today is Vlogmas day 5, guys. Come on, 5 days, that's basically a week. Alright, so that's that. Also guys, I got these artificial flowers. I'm going to show them to you. I know I see them in a video already. Yes, I got some artificial flowers. They are very cute, very cute. I get 3 strands of them. Like, let's show you, see me? I got 3 strands of them, and they are very cute. Like, I was just trying it out, and it's actually, you know, nice and stuff. And I think I pay like $3 $2 for this. So yeah, I don't say Shein have the cheap things then, but like they're really cute. I'm not say I want it, but you can't get it. Mega order some more. Yeah. So now I think we only have the clothes section. We only have clothes section, right? So I'm gonna pick up the clothes then. I'm going to be trying them on, guys. Maybe put it right here, but I'm just going to talk about them for now. Alright, so this is a dress. I wonder if people give one the price. Me have to go wait, hold on. I'm not gonna buy a price thing. You see me? I wore this dress, by the way. So this is this dress. It's giving good material, and it have a split right here and right here. When you see me try it on, when I got see, it looks very nice. And I'm an extra small. I only buy the smallest size they have, and the red is very good. It's not shared because you can't see my have one underneath. But yes guys, I pay maybe, I'm not pay no more than $10. I'm not pay less than everything under $10. Everything under $10. So this is the dress. I really like it, honestly. When I put it on this day, I'm gonna say wow. So now I have this dress right here. The material, I never expect the material to be so good, but it's actually good. People normally wear them with long sleeve, and them thinking about me, I gotta wear it by itself. Go somewhere. Yes, so this is how it's looking and thing. I'm going to be trying them on until they are ready, so just stay tuned for that. Also, extra small, less than $10. Everything in this all is less than $10, trust me. Oops, I'm not left for nothing though, because I buy a lot of stuff. Not a lot, I buy a little bit of something. So guys, this is a dress, right? This is a nice little dress. You can wear go anywhere actually, anywhere, church, anywhere. As we tell you, extra small. This could have be a little smaller, but that's alright. If you don't like tight clothes, then it's definitely for you. Me like tight clothes sometimes, but it's okay. Alright now. So this is a, why am I showing it like this? No. I'm gonna show you this first, and then I just put on the blouse with all of them. Alright, so I bought a set, maybe for like $4. So it's a shorts. I actually wear this already. Waiting on me, you see me? So it's a shorts. The only problem I have with the shorts is that it's a small. It fits my waist perfectly. The only problem I have is that the crotch is long, like it long. The crotch is long. Yeah, that's the only problem I have with it. And this is the top. The top is very cute, just simple and nice crop top. So yeah. Alright, now what we have next is I'm going to use the shorts and put on the top them with it too. We have this white extra small tube top, crop top, whatever. Yeah, everything is less than $10, guys. I might put the price if I remember, but yeah, this is cute. Very much. It's giving very much cute. And now, guys, if you check out my Instagram, my recent post, I had on this top, and I like it. I really like it. It's giving. Maybe it could be a little bit small. This is extra small, but it's alright. It fit me good, but I like when clothes are hug on to my body. You understand? So yeah. Alright now, so I have this dress. Wait, is that all the top? No, I have a leopard print top. Like, I don't know, say me love them to me. So this top, you saw this top in a previous video. By the way, guys, it's not a disclaimer or anything, because me is wearing box my clothes all the time. So we have this. I really love this. By the way, guys, I have a business, modastyles_.ja. Go and follow them and you can cop one of these. Yes, guys, we know there be a nice things over there. Remember to go check it out. All the things them once in catching out the Kingston area. I'm here to deliver for you. So yes, this is very nice. It's not sheer and thing, but you know, say if your nipple them pointing out, you gotta get something to cover that. So yeah, I feel like some me and left out one dress or something, but I don't know where they're right now. So I'm just showing you what I have on. Now I have this dress. This dress now, I like it, right? But I feel like to make go wear up like a jeans jacket or something with a dress in. So this is how it's looking. It's a, what do you call it, rouge or something like that. Yeah, it's a that little effect thing there. I don't know if you guys see, but when I put it on, I'm going to show you guys. So now the last thing that I have. What a video is so sharp, man. I think I talk fast now. The last thing that I have is this dress. The last thing I have is this dress. So maybe I say why the angle so long is because it's a crisscross and it have this rouge thing again. If it's not rouge, don't come for me. But yes, this is how it's looking. It's really nice. So I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell me which one I like the best. So that's a couple of things that I buy from Shein, and I realized, guys, that a lot of persons is asking me how you ship and how you shop online and that. So if you don't want a detailed video on that, that will be coming shortly, because I know say a lot of people want to know, especially people in Jamaica, because I didn't know. I never asked nobody, but you know, kind of smartish. I know so smart, you know, but I need a look heads up. So yeah, so as I'm showing you guys couple of the things that I buy from Shein. Remember to follow my business page, modastyles_.ja. We sell clothes, boys and girls, everything coming soon, restock soon, everything. And follow my regular Instagram, Candice_.Charmz. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, because we're at Vlogmas day 5. Oh my god, yeah, this a 10 finger but a 5. It feel like a 10 days I'm gone already, because consistency. So guys, as I always tell you know, I say it already, I'm gonna say it again, I'm gonna say it again. Yeah, check out my other videos, and think. Tell me which outfit but which one of the clothes that I like the best, you see me? Which one of the clothes that I like the best? And yeah. Oh wait, I lie, me I tell you no, I buy something else. Guys, I don't know where the case is for the glasses because I buy it long time. I not even realize I buy it, but like it's really cute. When I get it, I say I need other glasses, but yeah, it's really cute. On a similar wear this already, it kind of shabby right now, but look at me, and it helps with light. It helps with like the ring light when I use like when I'm on my computer. It helps with blue light, so yeah, and it's looking really cute on me. It's giving smart nerd. Ooh. But yes guys, that's it for this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friend, tell your auntie, tell your uncle, everybody. So catch you in the next one. Catch you in Vlogmas day 6. Vlogmas day 6 coming